Hi, I'm Sam Horn, and this is this week's version of our Better newsletter. This week is about a woman who said she just can't stop worrying about things. And I said, that's not a good use of your mind time. And she said, what's mind time? And I said, it's a concept I came up with for my Concentrate book that got a wonderful cover endorsement from Stephen Covey of 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Mind time is when we focus on something, we're not just giving it our attention, we're giving it our time. So the goal is, if you have a piece of paper, put a vertical line down the center. And over on the left-hand column, put can't control. And over on the right, put can control. Now think of 3 things that you're worried about over there on the left, or that's upsetting you, or that concerning you. Ask yourself, can I control them? And if you can control them, by all means, remove it, improve it, or do it. And if you can't control, though, over on the left is can't control, move it over to the right to what you can do, which is improve it, remove it, or do it, or move from the internal to the external. Because if we are worrying, we're in our head and we can't control the outcome. It's not a good use of mind time. So over on the right, what can we control? Well, we can control getting up and outside and looking around us and being reminded of what's right in our world instead of what's wrong. Or we can ask ourselves, how can I reframe this thought? Maybe we're worried that we're having a garage sale this weekend and it's going to rain, and we think about it, we get more and more miserable. Can't control it. No, over to the right, reframe it. Well, if it rains, I'm glad I cleaned out the house and identified those things. Maybe we can get some money from, or we can take to Salvation Army. So at least we had value from that, even if we didn't get exactly what we wanted. Next time you're worried about something, ask yourself, can I control it? If so, remove it, improve it, do it, or reframe it. If you can't control it, stop worrying. Go from the internal in your head outside into nature, and you'll soon be reminded of all the things that are right with the world instead of this one thing you're worrying about that's wrong with the world. Until next week, here's to being better.